All right, I want to tell you my next method, and that one is where you can make a 10. So if you have something like 140 minus 129, well, make this one into something that's easier for you to subtract. I'm just like, you know what? I'm going to turn that one right away into 130. So you know what my answer is? My answer is going to be 10. You just kind of take the number and make something that's easier for you to play with in your brain. Maybe you could do, let's see, 217 minus 142. For that, I just go ahead and turn 217, 220, 140, and then you're like 60, 70, 80, that gets me 80. You probably noticed, if you were listening carefully, instead of doing that subtraction, I counted up. 140 to 200 is 60, plus 20 more is 80. Addition's so much easier for me than subtraction that really I slip in addition into subtraction as much as I possibly can. This is the one that I use the most. I don't do these two as often as I make 100. If I have something like 264 minus 107, I'm just going to say, well, 264 minus 100 is 164. If I want, I can try to subtract 7 more from that. So because I'm not great with subtraction, I break my 7 into a 4 and a 3. I'd go 164 minus 4 is 160, minus 3 more is 157. So I would just turn that into 100. Hundreds are the easiest for me to subtract. I feel the most comfortable subtracting those. So this is the mental subtraction strategy that I use the most. But there are lots of people who like this one and this one. This is just the one that works best for me. Those are some little tricks for when you have to subtract mentally, when you don't have a phone, a calculator, paper, pencil. On a test, you're going to have paper and pencil, and sometimes you're even going to have a calculator. So please don't ever tell me on a piece of paper that you turn in that you were subtracting mentally. I want to always see your work on the papers you turn in here.